today we will see how to take attendance under a Google Meet. Okay, so for taking attendance under a Google Meet, first add extension. We'll add extensions to a Google Chrome. Okay, so I'll type Chrome extensions, and I'll go for a Chrome store, and I'll type here Google Meet attendance.
The world needs engineers and scientists who are sensitive to social.
So it will display this particular sign of tick, that is Google Meet attendance. Okay, install it. Now it is installed on my machine and it is showing a particular symbol here. Okay, so after installing this, it will show a symbol like this, that is nothing but a tick mark on your browser toolbar. The next, I'll start along with the Google Meet. Once I'll start a Google Meet, it will ask for creating a Google Meet. Suppose I am starting a Google Meet. Then this window will pop up, okay, which will contain or which will maintain your attendance. This window will maintain attendance. This is now showing my previous attendance. So during each particular meet, I'll clear it, okay, and it will display a different students which will be added automatically, or which will be added or joining a particular meet. Okay, once yours that particular class list will be okay, it will show all the save buttons here. Okay, it will show in a HTML format, it will show in a particular CSV format. You can click on it and you can save on your machine. Okay, so if you want to hide this particular box, then you can click on this particular tick symbol. Okay, it will auto hide, and once again you will tick on this, it will show all the list again. Okay, so in this way you can take attendance in a Google Meet.